Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Adrian, your instructor for Kinesiology 231. So here we are, we're in Module 2. And as I mentioned in Module 1 in the overview, as we switch now and we go through the beefy part of the book, these next couple modules will just have 2 chapters assigned to it. Reason is, the way the book is laid out, it goes into assessing a component and then designing for that component. So in this example for Module 2, it's assessing cardiorespiratory fitness. How do we evaluate cardiorespiratory fitness for our clients? And then Chapter 5 speaks to regarding designing those programs for your clients. And as we go through this, the format that we have, and it's pretty much the same way as before, and I do this deliberately to make it pretty easy for you guys to stay on track and not lose track of content. But we have 3 main folders, one of which is the content folder, the other is the video folder, and then the last is the assignments folder. Now you'll notice we're in Module 2, Chapter 4. So as we go through this information, of course, we're going to have the lecture slides that I adapt from the book and the ones provided. Also, I threw in a couple of videos regarding anthropometric measurements from ACE. They're wonderful videos, good organization if you're not familiar with them. And as we go further down into the assignments folder, you can see we have the book quiz. We have Lab 4 for girth measurements, which you'll probably end up doing on yourself. And then, of course, because it's an even number chapter, we have the case study. And then, of course, post and response for your classmates. So let's go ahead and take a look at chapter number 5 here. We have the content itself, also going into some more videos from American Council of Exercise, how to find waist to hip ratio. You'll notice there is not a case study here because it's an odd number. And so you have chapter 5 quiz, lab number 5 regarding skin fold, and then we have post and response for you guys regarding cardiovascular programs. So if we go ahead and just kind of finish this out, much like before, everything is on Blackboard and is to be submitted through Blackboard. I'll go ahead and do my grading, and that usually takes 24 to 48. If it's something that is automatic where it's multiple choice, true, false, etc., and I don't have to grade anything, if the grade comes back to you immediately. And then lastly, if you're stuck, you have trouble, you're trying to figure out how to do one of the assignments, please feel free to email me. My turnaround time on emails is usually within 24 hours, but you got to give me a little extra time on the weekends. All right, guys, so go ahead and get going on Module 2. Thanks.